From the QA archive. Smoke testing. Explained in 60 seconds. In simple terms, smoke testing is a quick set of tests that verify whether the critical functionalities of a software build work and the build is stable enough for further testing.
Example. An example of a smoke test on an e-commerce site would be: the app launches. Expected products are displayed. User can add an item to the cart. User can navigate to the checkout. If any of these basic tests fail, then the build may be rejected.
When is it used? Smoke testing is often used after a new build is created, before executing a large amount of tests. Typically, smoke testing is performed by manual testing, as it is generally a very quick test, but can be automated if required. The QA archive.